Can you do that for me like the rhythm of the beat go slow? Can you do that for me like the rhythm of the beat go slower? Can you do that for me like the rhythm of the beat go slow? Can you do that for me like the rhythm of the beat go slower? Can you do that for me? Baby, can you do that for me? Oh, can you do that?
Okay, so we're here, landed at my aunt's house, just you know, checking out the yard and thing. So yeah, just touched down in Jamaica. You got it that time? Yeah, so you know. Yeah, oh yeah, the apple tree. Is that the neighbor's apples, or are you gonna pick off the neighbor's apples, dog? Don't come mess up with the neighbor's apples, eh?
They look kind of young.
Yeah, they're young still. When I hear people talking about Jamaican apples. Man, got a little coconut tree in the back. Of course, the water tank. The shizzle. Welcome to my cribs. Yeah. Over there, so we have the trees. Yeah. The coconuts. Then over there, so we have some more coconuts. Yeah, there we have the apple tree, but it's not with apple trees, so we have to be, you know, discreet with the apple pickings. Yeah. And over here, shizzle for sizzle and nizzle. Yeah, this is where I get my water from. Yeah. This is the water tank. See me stone them there? The one more I shine my shoes, me just kusha saw, you see me? Kusha. Yeah. Yeah. See my other trees. I'm not really sure what kind of trees it is, but it's pretty. And I like to take my Instagram pictures, you see me? Yeah, so me do it. Yeah, the bananas them young right now, but you know, give it time. You know, I got the bananas them for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Yeah.
Say bananas again.
The bananas, you see me? Yeah. Banana tree.
So annoying.
Alright. Yeah, so here we are. Another house.
In Jamaica.
In Jamaica.
In Jamaica.
Yeah. Okay, so today's events are over, but today was a hot day in Jamaica. We went to the market, got some fruits, veggies. We stopped by the supermarket.
Grab some snacks.
I feel like we should have got more things at the supermarket, but this guy over here.
Basically, I was a child when I left Jamaica, so I did childish shit.
What do you got there?
Bag juice. Guys.
It's been a while.
Guys. Oh, all the yellow ones.
See this right here? One of the best ice creams you'll ever eat. You can't get it anywhere else. Except for Jamaica, okay? The grape nuts. Sound a little weird, but you know, it's good. Trust me, it's a bun thing. So I went to the supermarket and bought like every snack that they had.
And bag juice. What do you mean?
You know, you have to get the bag juice though. For people who outside of Jamaica and the Caribbean who don't know what bag juice is, it is juice in a bag and it is good as shit.
Especially when frozen or like slightly thawed. Slushy?
Slushy form.
Slushy form.
What else we got? We went over to my dad's cousin's house as well, who's preparing for this big party that he's having this weekend. And I climbed a tree.
For me.
I climbed a tree for her.
Thank you.
And got an apple, not just a regular apple though, a Jamaican apple.
Yes, you guys don't know about these.
Yeah, you guys don't know about these Jamaican apples. These better than any other apple in the world, in the planet, this universe. And
you got me some mangoes too.
We're on a mango hunt. Sounds good. Every second my mom was like looking for mangoes, like looking up everybody's tree for mangoes.
You went in the tree for a mango too.
So yeah, I was a friggin'.
Are you proud?
I was a climber man today. I was climbing trees and getting mangoes and things.
Watch the jungle man with a stick.
And then also we went over to my uncle's house, which was pretty cool.
In Mandeville.
In Mandeville, yeah.
Yeah.
Geldeville.
It was kind of cold up there. It was like on top of hills.
Yeah, it's beautiful views. It was really dope. Saw some of my cousins. It's like I didn't even know what classification of family it falls under, but related to me somehow. Yeah. And I think I saw a picture of my dad's dad for the first time ever. Like I just never knew what this guy looked like. Was it the first time? Yeah, I never knew. I've never seen him. I never knew what he looked like. Yeah. So that was pretty cool. Got to see my uncle. I haven't seen my uncle in a while, Uncle Ralph. So yeah, today was a really dope day, really cool day. Day one. Day one. Yeah. And see this right here? A delicacy. If you could ever try a Jamaican apple, do yourself a favor. I just orgasmed a little bit. Zoom in, you'll notice. Where are we?
At my old school, Harrison Prep.
Represent.
Yeah, man. Yo, this is so weird, Marvin. It's so small.
Yeah. You wanna be in my YouTube video? You wanna be in a YouTube video? Okay. Careful. What are you gonna? What's your? Do you have a YouTube channel? No. Are you gonna make a YouTube channel one day? No.
Arms. The coat of arms.
Yeah. And there's a flag. What else we got? Aki.
And the doctor bird. Jamaican flag. The doctor bird.
All right.
Graduating class, but that's okay. Thank you. And but I don't have any color to give you to go with that. Any color will do. Any color will do. It's always good to see us, you know? Okay. Always good to see us.
I'm trying not to, don't laugh at me.
Long time I don't see you, man. You know, the last time I say I went Thursday.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, man, I last time I was saying a good while now. Yeah, man, a good while now since Japan, man. Alright, so we're just exploring the neighborhood right now, and the crazy thing about Jamaica, especially country, there's like such an abundance of fruits and thing. And now in North America, everyone's on this jackfruit thing, but look, this is where jackfruit comes from. See this? This is gold right here. Let me get off the people them property because I don't know whose jackfruit that is. So let's come on here. Where we get cutlass around here.
Come on, Billy. I go. Ah, Billy, Billy, I go check you later. Here, Billy. Look more, Billy. Let's try to get a video of it. Okay. They sexing for it? Okay. Dagger in. Take booty girl. I think it's easy. We are rumpet. Right now we got a little mango tree. So the mangoes right over there. That's the mangoes. The mango them. See, another thing Jamaica has, especially in the country, bamboo. So all you look up bamboo pillowcases, all your bamboo furniture, all these things. Boom. Bamboo. Wonder if we could put some of this on the plane, you know, sell this. Think so?
Could be lucrative.
Could be lucrative still. I don't know, the beehives or something? Bamboo bees? I don't know. What is that?
What, those?
A bamboo wasp?
Dog. Should we move?
Yeah. So right now we're at my grandfather's house, who actually passed away. He's the one who actually gave me the name SeniorGumBoy. And being here in St. Catharines, Jamaica, this is actually where I'm from. I was born around here. It just reminds me of, you know, yesteryears and staying humble, and which is why I chose the name SeniorGumBoy. And my grandfather's actually buried in the back, along with my aunt, some of my uncles, and my grandmother, who I never got to meet. And I really feel this place kind of gave me the basis of, you know, of who I am, and, you know, my value system of, you know, cherishing people, relationships, life, you know, staying humble, not thinking you're better than anyone. And I try to kind of live, you know, live that way and carry those values through. And I really feel that this place in Jamaica has really instilled that within me, and you know, that's what I'm going to continue doing, just living positive.
Rocco! Happy birthday to the boy over here.
It's a video. Hi. Okay, your little boy. So cute.
Rocco!
Happy birthday to Auntie Doll and Uncle Roddy.
Happy birthday, Grandma! Happy birthday, Grandma! You already know.
We are the Great Farron family, and welcome to YouTube. Welcome to my channel.
Welcome to my channel!
Subscribe, like, share.
Subscribe, like, share.
Nah, you're not doing it right. You ain't started right. Let me do it. Ready? It's like this. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy JB here, you know what I'm saying? I'm at the Ruddy family reunion, you know what I'm saying? 70th birthday to the twins. Happy birthday to both of them, alright? I'm leaving now. Bow.
Oh my god, look at my family. Look at my family, wow.
Right now I am at my aunt and uncle's 70th birthday. It's crazy to see how, you know, I was in Troja district earlier, and how the effect on them has trickled down on me and like the whole family. And it's just crazy to see like how all my younger cousins and everything has really taken that to heart, what they were taught and have taught us. And you know, it's all about positive energy, family, good vibes, and you know, right? That's what we're saying, good vibes and energy. So yeah, you know, I feel the love, and the love is here, and it's all around us. And Jamaica, you know, one love, is it me?
Yeah, my pools, you know, the minerals thing, is it? Yeah, it's good for the skin, the porifices, and all these things. Yeah, because it has the salts, not the cooking salts, but the mineral salts. Yeah, right, you just take it and rub it on your skin, so, isn't it? And everything cool and nice. baths that are soft. Kind of cool and nice. Yes.
Do you feel exfoliated? It feels zen. This guy's stance. No one's watching that one. No one can see that.
Let me give you level Buddha.
Tell me why there's a crab just in the salt. Wait, look, buddy. What the hell? Where the hell did that come from? Why is there a crab in here?
Just make sure you roll the crab because
What?
I don't know what's coming on the crab.
Should we call reception? The man's just chilling, man. I don't know if he came on through that little vent.
Yeah, there's a crab in the salt.
There was one behind you. Where's he going?
Is it a crab?
It's a crab.
Oh my god.
I dare to grab him.
I'm not touching a crab.
Just touch the crab. Where's he going?
What's it doing in here?
Is that his house over there?
So I'm in a salt bath.
Bye, Krabby. Bye. Okay, so we're basically back home, back where it all started. This is, you know, where I was born. The old house isn't there anymore, but you know, across the train tracks, this is where I feel the essence of who I am was put into place. You know, this land, these people around, you know, this is home. So this is it. So right now we're in front of a primary school, a school I went to. And if you ever notice I have like a little cut on my lip, this is where I fell and cut my lip. Right now it's paved, but before it was all rocks and I was racing my cousin. I feel she tripped me, I feel she tripped me and bust my lip. I'll never forgive her for it. You'll meet her later.
Back to my channel. Hey, like, you know, we're like...
What are you drinking?
Coke. I mean,
Yeah.
So you know how earlier I was saying someone bust my lip when I was a kid? It's this one here, eh? This is the guy. Scarred me for life. I mean, it's really small, like you have to kind of like zoom in a lot. Well, not really a lot, but just a little bit to see it, but it's there.
That sounds like lies. What are we talking about?
There's evidence.
Let me see it.
There's evidence. It's kind of, you see it? It's like, yeah, you just got it. It's like, you see it? It's like right, kind of like right there. It's right there. It's kind of dark though. But it's kind of dark. Like if there was more light, you'd be able to see it better. But because there's not enough light, but it's there though.
This is called lies. But let's tell the real story. Marvin fucked up my fingernail. You can clearly see that. Can you see it? Yeah. The whole finger looks deformed. If I should take my nail polish off, you would see that I have a crack in my nail. Oh my God, why is there a dog behind you? Wait, where's the dog? Marvin, you know how to do dogs.
Chillin'.
Okay. Yeah, but as I was saying, lies, lies, lies. That's my truth.
Lies over here. Scarred for life.
Lies over there.